Hello guys, you can see that there is a 2D diagram of bolt and all the dimensions are given here. And today I am going to show you how to draw this how to draw this bolt in AutoCAD 2D. So let's begin. Just keep this in one side. Okay. Now at first select line and draw a vertical line, and it will be just 95 millimeter. Okay. Just delete this one, delete these things, draw a line, and it will be just 95 millimeter. Enter. Okay. Now select line and draw another line, and it will be just 60 millimeter, and draw another vertical line. It will be 20 millimeter, and just not 20 actually. Select line and it will be 25 millimeter, and just join these two, and again select line, make 60 millimeter horizontal line and vertical line 25 millimeter, and just join them, and just repeat the line command and select join these 2 points. Enter. Okay. Now again select line, and from this point draw a line, and it will be just 20 millimeter, and draw horizontal line. It will be just 175 millimeter. Enter. Now draw vertical line. It will be 55 millimeter, and another horizontal line. It will be 35 millimeter, and join this line. Okay. Now right button click, repeat line command, and join these 2 points. Okay. Enter. Now our first part is complete. Now just put the dimensions, and let's first select linear. It will be very small actually, 25 millimeter. Now put annotation, standard, and modify. Now it will be 10, make 10. Okay, close. If it's good now, we can remove this 00. So again, standard, modify, and primary units. Select the first one. Okay, close. It is 95 millimeter. Again horizontal, 60. Enter to repeat the previous command, and it was 25. Enter, and it was 175. Enter, it was 35. Enter, and it was 65 millimeter. Okay. Now this first part is complete. Now select and copy, just paste here. Okay. Enter. Now I don't need the dimensions, so just delete the dimensions. Delete. You can now delete the dimensions. Okay. Now this portion I will convert into a bolt, and for this one I first select rectangle, and from this edge point draw a rectangle. Enter to repeat the previous command. Okay. Exit. rectangle, and from this point draw a rectangle. Again select rectangle, and from this point draw another rectangle. Okay, now select fillet command, and from here select radius and put the radius 10 millimeter. Now draw this, select this one, enter, select these two, enter, and select this two, enter, select this two, enter, select these two. Okay, now select rectangle, and from this point draw a rectangle. Okay, now again select fillet, select radius and take radius 10 millimeters, and now select these two, enter, okay, enter, select these two, enter, select this two, enter, now enter, select this two, enter, okay, enter, okay, now the inner part is complete. Now select line, and from the edge point the vertical line, and again select line, and from this edge point, now this line, select this portion, select the trim command and trim the extra portions. Okay, exit. Now delete this midline, and also from here delete this midline. Okay, we're almost complete. Now this part left. Now switch on the color tracking. Just click here to the color tracking and delete the current value. Click on new and put 23. Okay, now select line and select this point, find the 23 degree. Okay, enter. Select this line, select mirror, find the midpoint. Okay, and switch on ortho mode, enter, enter. Okay, now select trim command, trim the extra portions, enter. Now delete this portion. Okay, now just put the dimensions. Linear, sorry, not linear, I need the angle actually. The angle between this line and this line will be 23 millimeter, and select the radius, and this radius will be 10 millimeter. Okay, now our drawing is complete, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. Click the like button and share with your friends. Thank you.